So, Mr. Satenda, how are you, man? Where are you, guy? Where are you, my guy? What's up, man? Where are we, man?
We are on Kruger Game Park.
Kruger Game Park, and we're just facing Crocodile Bridge. Yeah, heading to Kruger. Yeah, the Katsongos are here, but the dam is not fully full. Yeah. It's just that time. It's just that time, ladies and gentlemen. It's just that time. You work, you relax at the same time. Get over view, peaceful view. Yeah, we call it mind refreshing. Mind refreshing. Hey, Tatenda, say hi to the fans, man. Yeah, I've got Mr. Chimbuya here. The Kasongos are enjoying it, guys. Did you see that? He's enjoying. Yeah. This is how close we can be at the Crocodile Bridge. They call it a Crocodile Bridge. Crocodile. Or Crocodile. They call it a Crocodile or Crocodile Bridge. We're just 1 kilometer away from Kruger National Park. Yeah, alongside Darufak and Superior.